Hello and welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be taking a look at the SQLite track in Exercism, which has 30 exercises, and we'll be solving one by one and trying to walk through the solutions and coming up with different or following the instructions for solving the problems and coming up with different solutions. So first let's start with the hello world, which is a typical uh, standard printing out hello world to the screen. This is first, we need to set up Exercism CLI. You can do it by the editor, but I want to do it on the CLI as well. So I can just quickly grab the problem and use the editor on my end and submit the problems. So for the first thing, we need to grab the binary. You can do it from the releases, GitHub releases page and download the binary as per your platform. I've downloaded the Linux version of the binary, and I am unzipping the contents of it. So now once I have it, you can see there is a slash, sorry, in my current directory I have this dot slash exorcism binary located here. So you can add this binary to your path so that you don't have to manually select the path for that binary. It will be directly sourced into your binary path, and that binary path is always in your path, so you can use it as a command. But I'll just keep it straightforward. This exorcism in my current directory I will be using it throughout the course, throughout the solutions that we're working through for all the uh, for all the problems that I'll be solving. So first thing is hello world. Here you can see this is quite a straightforward sample where we have to. So let me navigate to that actual statement. Configure the CLI. So the CLI also needs to know who you are, so we need to authenticate here. So here we have this token that we can grab to allow ourselves to to make sure that Exercism understands that I am actually the person interacting with this, submitting the problem. So as you can see, I have been authenticated as Meet in my CLI. Now I can submit and download the problem that I want to solve. So let's head over to this. You can support it if you want to. And here you can go into the SQLite tracks. And here we have the first problem, which is hello world, which is enabled, available to us. So we can solve this specific problem. It is quite simple. If you go into the instruction set, you would see that we have to replace hello, like goodbye mass, with hello world. It's a simple string that will just print out into the console. So here we'll just exercise download track SQLite, and the exercise name slug is hello world. So I'll just grab this, and this will download the hello world folder, the problem along with its test suite and the instructions for solving the problem. So here it is located at slash root, like the root of your path, exorcism slash SQLite slash hello world. So I can move this exorcism binary to that folder so that I just have to use that binary throughout that folder. So once we have the problem downloaded locally on our system, we can head over to this path. Let me just open that side by side. So once you can see here, we have insert into this table hello world greetings and values this goodbye mass. We don't want to insert goodbye mass, we want to insert hello world. That is the pretty much straightforward, but the uh, thing that I have to go through here is just one time setup for this Exercism CLI, and for all the remaining problems we'll be just using this uh, setup, and that will be a breezer. But right now we are just setting it up for the current environment. So you can see it has given us just simple general instructions for all the exercises, but each each exercise or problem will have its own specific instructions and test suits that we need to follow. Most of them are same, but there will be a few different, I think, different ways to solve or interact with the actual local environment. So I can head over to this path and you can see there are lots of files here. Help.md is one of the instructions for this problem. So here you can see there are general instructions for this. You have to run SQLite 3 dash bail and input of this uh, slug, which is a test file, which will be hello world dash test.sql. So hello world dot sql. So I'll just move out of this and just go into this folder and then locate hello world here. So in this case, we have to just trim out that part, right? So as we discussed here, we just need to replace goodbye Mars with hello world. So I'll just quickly grab this hello world program, right? I'm just getting introduced to something new in programming. It is usually the size. So hello world dot sql. So here we have lots of files, right? Hello world dash test. So underscore test is the actual file that will be used to evaluate whatever we have written in the uh, hello world.sql program. And once we have that, we know we want to run the we want to create queries in hello world.sql file. So let's go into hello world.sql. So here you can see there is one file called hello world.sql. This is a readme. This will just say hello world, and these are just general instructions for this instructions, and help is a specific instruction for this exercise to have this, right. So it rightly says what we have to do here. You can select statements for debugging, and we can use things like that into the hello world.sql file to evaluate our results. So this is the file. Insert into hello world greetings values goodbye Mars. So the column name is hello greetings and the table is hello world. We'll just replace goodbye Mars with hello world. This is the thing that we want to do in the exercise. This is very basic, but this is what we do for a hello world program. And as instructed, we will do SQLite 3 if we see bail redirect the outputs of hello world underscore test.sql, and you can see the status is pass. So once that is done, I think we can submit the program, the exercise for that. Uh, so I'll just copy that exercism uh, binary into the current directory here. Then exercism, this is the binary, and submit, and we need to have the slug, that is hello world.sql, the file that you want to submit, and you can see it has been submitted to the exercism uh, exercism platform, and you can see it has passed. So that is how we solve this hello world in exercism for the SQLite track, and we can move on to the next problem.